We're going to dance the Clare Orange and Green for you now. This set from Mullack in County Clare was recorded by Una Ban Irohan from the dancing of Junior and Sissy Cregan. The first figure is danced to reels. Top couples, taking both hands, advance and retire once, pass through and change over left shoulder to left shoulder. Advance and retire and change back. Then we dance the top lady's chain, right hand in the centre, left hand to the opposite gent, turn the lady under. The gent goes round as well. Back to your own partner and tops dance to the left for the contrary. Now the contrary movement comes into the first 5 figures of this six figure set. We go round for 4 bars. As we're coming back, the top gent raises his left hand, lets his partner out and follows her back to home. Then we dance around the couple that we've done the contrary with. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 2, 3 and 3. And back to place. Top couples repeat the figure, then side couples dance the figure twice. While side couples are dancing it, they turn to the couple on their left for the contrary. Again, around for 4 bars. As we're coming back, side gents raise their hand, let their partner out and follow them. And we dance around that couple and back to place. 1, 2, 3, hop 1. Now we'll dance the figure for you. Second figure of the Clare Orange and Green is danced to single jigs. We call this figure back to back in single jig time. Everybody begins facing into the centre and we dance around our partner moving in an anti-clockwise direction, turning clockwise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and face your partner. 1, 2, 3, and face your partner. 3, and face your partner. 1, 2, 3, and then we swing. Now, to help the gents for that movement, they can begin on the right foot. It's much easier if the gents also begin on the right foot, although this is unusual. Then, first top couple house on the inside. We drop the lady off with the opposite couple, and they swing in 3. While they're swinging, the top gent turns as he's going back to his own position. 1, 2, 3. He advances and bows with the lady on the left. With the lady on the right, 3 move in, and we swing in 4. Out of the swing in 4, we dance the contrary with the couple on our left. We all repeat the back-to-back movement, and then each couple dance the figure in turn. Second tops, first sides on the left, and second sides on the right. Now we'll dance the figure for you. third figure of the Clare orange and green is danced to reels. Top couples pass through, change over left shoulder, pass back, change over left shoulder. Ladies chain as in the first figure. Turn the lady under and back to your own position. Top couples pass through again, change over, pass back and change over, but this time the gents keep facing out of the set and the side gents dance to the right in front of their partner. They also have their backs to each other in the circle. We go round for 4 bars. As we're coming back, the top gents bring their right hand over their head. We dance in place for 8 bars, sorry. We open up the hands for the contrary and we dance the normal contrary. Side couples repeat all these movements. Now we'll dance the figure for you. The fourth figure is danced to polkas. We all begin with a lead around. When we get back to place, we turn the lady under and we swing, waltz hold. The 4 ladies then put right hands in while the gents dance around on the outside to the right. We turn and come back. Giving right hand to our own partner, we change positions. So the gents are in the centre. In this position, we dance in and out 4 times. In, 2, 3 and out, 2, 3 and in, 2, 3 and out, 2. In, 2, 3 and out, 2, 3 and in, 2, 3 and out. Then we lead around, turning the lady 4 times to each position. When we get back to our own position, we dance the contrary. We repeat all the movements except the second time we dance the contrary with the couple on our right. Now we'll dance the figure for you. fifth figure is danced to double jigs. And for this figure, we dance a down jig step or a polka step. All couples house around in waltz hold, and all couples swing. Top couples will gallop across. Hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. As we're going across, the gents have back to back, and when we're coming back, the ladies are back to back. Then we dance the ladies' chain. Top ladies' chain and side ladies' chain. Back to our own partner, and we dance the gallop again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop 1, 2. Ladies' chain again. Right hand, left hand, turn the lady. Back to your own partner, and top couples turn to the left for the contrary. We repeat all the movements with sides leading the second time. They will gallop across first and followed by tops. Sides will dance the contrary with the couple on their left. We all house to finish. Now we'll dance the figure for you. The last figure of the Clare orange and green is danced to reels. Again, we all begin with a circle. We advance and retire twice, and then we swing. Then, with our partners in waltz hold, we dance in and out twice. Hop in 2, 3 and out 2, 3, hop in 2, 3 and out. The gents move on the outside, turning twice, while the ladies dance to the centre, turning once. 1, 2, 3. Hop 1, 2, 3 and 2, 2, 3 and 3, 2 and 4, 2, 3. Gents turn clockwise as they move on. We repeat all the movements until we're back with our own partners. When we finish back with our own partners, then we swing. Then we repeat the movement again. We dance in 2, 3 and out 2, 3 twice. Hop in 2, 3 and out 2, 3, hop in 2, 3 and out. The ladies move on to the left this time, turning anti-clockwise, while the gents dance into the centre. 1, 2, 3. Hop 1, 2, 3 and 2, 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3. Again, we repeat all the movements until we're back with our own partner. The figure finishes with a circle, advance and retire twice, and we all house to finish. Now we'll dance the figure for you.